Good morning, children. Welcome to the lesson Our Village. Children, do you know what is a village? Yes, village is a small group of houses in a country area. Okay, then what all will be there in a village? Children, do you have any idea of the various social institutions that exist in a village? In this lesson, let us know what all will be there in a village by taking a village Rankapuram as an example. Text reading page number 78. Rankapuram is surrounded by small hills. A river flows nearby. The river is the only source of water to the village. The houses are side by side in the village. There is a water tank and water is provided through taps. The village is inhabited by different artisans. Now, let us look at the picture of Rankapuram. See children, this is a picture of Rankapuram village. Children, you have seen how the village Rankapuram in the picture. Now, look at the picture given below and tell me what all are there in the picture. Yes, there are many houses, many trees, there is a school, there are street lights, there is a temple, church and mosque. Some people are sitting under a tree, there is a bullock cart, an auto, etc. Good. Text reading, page number 79. In Rankapuram village, there are streets, different types of houses, Gram Panchayat, veterinary hospital, school, primary health subcenter, post and telegraph office, temple, mosque and church. Do you know about these institutions? In Rankapuram village, there exist various social institutions like Gram Panchayat office, post office, bank, veterinary hospital, primary health subcenter, temple, mosque, church, etc. Children, let us know about each of them in brief. We will start with the Rankapuram Gram Panchayat or village secretariat. Text reading. This is Rankapuram's Gram Panchayat office. The people of Gram Panchayat do many works like supplying water, cleaning the drains and streets, maintaining street lights, etc. The image on screen shows the Panchayat office of Rankapuram. The Gram Panchayat office takes care of many activities like proper water supply, cleaning the drains and streets, maintenance of street lights, etc. Okay, now let us know about Rankapuram's Post and Telegraph Office. Text reading, Post and Telegraph Office or Post Office. This is Post and Telegraph Office. We post the letters, save money, do life insurance, etc. through this office. The village Rankapuram has a post and telegram office. Through this office, the village people post letters, send telegram, save money, do life insurance, etc. Children, now we will look at the primary health subcenter of Rankapuram. Text reading. There is a primary health subcenter in the village with a doctor and few health workers. The health workers create awareness on health and hygiene among the villagers, conduct pulse polio programs, and give medicines to treat minor illness, etc. Primary health centers provide health care facilities to the rural people, and these centers are provided by the government. Like all the villages, Rankapuram also has a primary health subcenter with a doctor and a few health workers. Right. Okay. The job of the health workers is to provide medicines for small injuries, create awareness on health and hygiene among the villagers, carry out pulse polio programs, etc. Okay, children, do you know what is a veterinary hospital? Yes, a veterinary hospital is a hospital where sick and injured animals are treated. Text reading. We go to hospital when we suffer from illness. In the same way, the cattle is taken to the veterinary hospital. The image on screen shows the veterinary hospital of Rangapuram. Just like how we humans go to a hospital for treatment, domestic animals are also taken to the veterinary hospital for treatment. Okay. Children, now we will have a look at the bank of the village. Text reading. There is a Gramina bank in Rangapuram as the population of the village is high. People save their money in the bank. The bank gives loans to the villages for their needs. They return the money to the bank in installments. Children, do you know what is a bank? Good. A bank is an organization which accepts deposits, pays interest, clears checks, gives loans, etc. In Rangapuram, there is a Gramina bank. The villages perform many activities like saving money, taking loans, etc. Now, let us go through the facilities in the school in Rangapuram. Text reading. There is an upper primary school in Rangapuram. The students who complete their studies here go to other village schools to continue their higher studies. The village Rangapuram has an upper primary school. The students of the village complete their primary education here and then go to other villages for their higher studies. Right. Children, let us know about the water tank in the village. Text reading. The water is pumped from the water tank to taps. The water tank is cleaned once a week. Chlorine is mixed with water to purify it. The purified water is released to the taps. We should see to it that water is not wasted through the taps. The village sarpanch should be informed about the leakages in pipes and about wastage of water. In Rangapuram, there is a big water tank. To all the people of Rangapuram village, the tank water is supplied through taps. The water tank is cleaned once in a week and chlorine is mixed in it to kill the germs. The purified water is released to the taps. Children, tell me who is the head of a Gram Panchayat? Yes, Sarpanch is the head of the Gram Panchayat. Good. Sarpanch is responsible for proper functioning of the tank. The villagers give complaints regarding the leakages in pipes and wastage to the Sarpanch. Now let us know about the places of worship in Rangapuram. Right? Text reading. Observe the pictures given below. What can you see? Who go to these places? When do they go? What are the places of worship in a village? Who goes to these places? When do they go? We can see here a church, a temple, and a mosque. Children, where do Hindus go to offer their prayer? Yes, Hindus go to temple to offer their prayer. Good. Where do Muslims go to namaz? Yes, Muslims go to mosque for namaz on Friday, right? Okay, then where do Christians go to offer their prayer? Yes, they go to church to offer their prayers on Sunday. Good. Now, let's have a look into the transport facilities in Rangapuram. Text reading. How do we travel to a village? Let us know the transport facilities of Rangapuram. Which vehicles are there in Rangapuram? A bus comes to Rangapuram in the morning and evening. The villagers go to the nearby villages by an auto. The farmers use bullock cart for the agricultural work. The students go by bus to other villages for higher studies. Now you have known about the social institutions in a village and transport facilities of Rangapuram. Let us see about transport facilities in Rangapuram. Now let's have a look into the transport facilities in Rangapuram. Okay, the people of Rangapuram use many types of vehicles to travel small distance. The villagers use scooters, bikes, autos, etc. For agricultural works, the farmers use bullock carts. A bus comes to Rangapuram in the morning and evening, right? Now we know about the social institutions in a village and transport facilities of Rangapuram. Text reading, page number 83. Do you know what kind of work the people of Rangapuram do? Most of the villages practice agriculture. Some work as laborers, the others do different kinds of work. There are blacksmiths, porters, and other professionals. Some villages are well educated and work in offices. Some own small shops and do business. All the younger children study in their village school only. Older children go to other villages for higher studies. All the women in the village are educated. They also do some jobs and earn their livelihood. Children, do you know what kind of work the people of Rangapuram do? Let's find out. Among all the occupations, agriculture is the most practiced one. However, the villagers also carry out other occupations. Some people work as laborers, a few work as blacksmith, porters, etc. The educated villagers work in offices, whereas some other do business and run small shops. The women in the village are also educated. Even today, even they do various jobs and earn their livelihood. Okay, children, with this, we finished our 9th lesson. Meet you in next class. Take care. Bye. Have a glorious day. Thank you.